Hello, zkPM guys.
ZK, yay, it worked. Awesome. Thank you for being here, Melissa. Yeah, we weren't sure if today's going to
Yeah,
happen.
sorry guys, it's internet issues, but luckily we have really good neighbors. So we in the end we have internet and we have today's session. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so for people who were possibly not here yesterday, I would like to present myself. I'm developer relations engineer at zkVerify. My name is Milica, and I'm also a PhD candidate in zero knowledge proofs. And since we got plenty of questions yesterday regarding if we can be a zk developer, what's the difference between certain types of proofs, and if we can even use zk if we're not zk engineers, I decided that maybe the best for everyone is to show how we can actually interact with chain even though we do not use our own wallet, but we can try it through API calls. So first of all, to do this interesting exercise, I would need to have your guys' emails. So I'll, and then I can send you your API key back. So just a second. This is my nick on Telegram. Yeah, but first of all, we just want to verify some zk proofs. You know, I want to see some reactions if we want to do it even. I think we have consensus, right? Oh, super cool. So this is me on Telegram, and you can send me your email. I'll send your API key back. And once we have that, we'll be able to go through our exercise and verify zk proofs, zk yay. Super cool. All right, so what we will do is start with generating proofs and hope that we're going to get API keys from our team in due time. We had a platform for generating keys, but it could be that something just stopped working or something, but it's momentarily. Okay, so for generating proofs, we need proofs, right, to be generated. So let's go through the tutorial. For this, you would need, I'll send you a link so that everyone is in sync. Rhyming. If everyone had opened a page, we will start with zkREPL, and we will produce some GROT16 proofs, right? And try verifying them. Okay, so if we come back to our docs, we'll go to the snippets, and everything we need is copying this code, this one, together with this one, and running it in here in zkREPL.dev. So is everyone at zkREPL.dev? Are we there? So let me send you. Can everyone open zkREPL.dev? Okay, I see thumbs up. Means we're looking at good direction. So also, we're going to copy this part of the code with inputs. This one. And paste it here. And it's important to save it, right? We're gonna save it. Let's go back to our code. We will need to compile the circuit with zkREPL and get the required artifacts. So let's do that. So we're going to click on the GROT16 option. Okay. Let's do that. So if we come back, so you should see the same result. This is what you should see. Let's see if everyone is at this step. Okay, if someone is stuck somewhere in zkREPL, please just let me know. Otherwise, we're going to continue and... Okay, so everyone is there. All right. Okay, so next thing we would need is we're going to come back, of course, to our docs, right? And we will go and generate the proof. How we're going to do that is we would need to go to main.grot16.html option. And this is what is going to, this is the page that's going to open. So let's go there. Just start. Shift enter to run. Okay, let me check. Okay, so this is what we should see instead. These are the artifacts. We're going to click and generate proof. And if at any point, because guys, I don't see your faces, I'm not in the same room with you. If there is at any point, you know, you're insecure, whether you're not doing something right or I'm going too fast through the tutorial, please let me know, because otherwise I wouldn't know if you're stuck somewhere. Okay. So yeah, let's go back here and see what we're going to need. So we have to save the proof in proof.json file and public signals in public.json file. So you're going to see it like this. This is your proof, and these are your public signals. Okay. So we're going to have proof and something we call public signals, right? Super cool. And also what we need to save from our tutorial is this VK. We'll need 3 of these parts. We'll need VK here. If you see it, you need to produce it from zkRapl.dev, and we will need. Okay, I'll share it again. We will need proof and public inputs. So we will need to save it within data folder. Okay. Okay, did we got the 3 artifacts we needed for the tutorial? Timeline, do you want to hop on the stage and tell us what's wrong?
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. That was a mistake. Sorry. I'm really like crazy on that one. That was a mistake. Sorry.
So did you get those? Did you get the artifacts?
I'm actually just like starting up the SDK, but I can like track back to where you started from to where you are now. So I don't really have any problem at the moment.
Okay. So yeah, we got the way to generate API keys. So I'm going to send one by one back to all of you. So yay. The team is working overtime during the weekends, all the time.
Sir, I have an issue. I can't send message to you on Telegram.
Okay. Okay. Can you please send your Telegram here so that you can send me email and stuff?
Or can I just send my email? Can I just send my email here?
Yeah, but I would then need to send API key that is going to be exposed to everyone. I mean, it's okay. We're in testnet, but I don't know if you would like that. Okay, Xiaomao asked to repeat again the artifacts we needed. So we would need 3 artifacts. One is VK, the other one is proof, the third one is public inputs. So this is what you should put in as proof.json. This is going to be public. Okay, let me scroll a bit. Public. Proof.json. So proof.json is this one. Public.json is this one. And for VK, we're going to go back to zkRapl.dev and copy this one, vk.json. Thank you. Okay. Chidubem, I'm sending you a message. Here, you can send me. Okay, is everyone else having the same 3 artifacts? Rosia has it. Rosia, I don't see your email. Okay. Okay. Simulate sending you your API keys. This is yours. You guys should have started receiving messages from me on Telegram regarding your API keys. Please let us know if you got them. It's going to be necessary for our workshop. Got it. Super cool. Is there someone else who wants to take part in it? Yes, Timeline?
Oh, okay. So, so I was actually like just opening, like I was setting up my Circom and everything, and I wanted to ask, like, these the codes that you wrote here, is it like a template or it's from a repo that it was gotten, or you can just like copy it and then run it according to what's inside the zkVerify um generating proofs documentation?
Yes, we're
Like I'm
using
just setting.
we're
Okay,
using
because I'm
the
just like so I'm
yes.
sorry, continue. No, I'm sorry, continue.
So we're using example from our documentation here.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, if you want to verify your own Grad 16 proof, please, be my guest. Okay, guys. I've sent messages to those on Telegram who did not have it. Kingsley Caesar, let me check. You got your API key too. Black Iris, if you can send me a message with your email. Mhm. Okay, generating one for you, Lucia too. Jamal got him his. So glad for you. And we have just one more to be generated. And guys, if you think you can make it for this workshop, please send me an email, either through Telegram or even here if you want, so that we can continue with the workshop further. Rocio sending you one. And we need Robert, aka Black Iris. Okay, guys, I think that's it. All right, so we can continue with our workshop. Now that you have your API keys, let's go back to the more interesting part, right? Let's go back to docs. I love our documentation, I cannot lie. So everyone has gotten the artifacts or proofs, and everyone has gotten the, oh, you didn't get one? Wait. Chidabam, let me check. Chidabam, Tsar Blue. Oh, I have sent one. Just check your Telegram, guys. I've sent API keys for everyone. Okay, I'm glad you got it. So let's go back to more interesting stuff, right? Yes, we have our API keys. So we have 3 parts of the zk proofs. We have API keys. Let's go and verify some proofs, right? Let's go. So one thing to do it, we would need to set up our environment, make a directory, and use npm and Axios to run our environment. So first of all, we need to create our folder. We want to go there, right? And we need to initialize our npm project. So currently we are at this page. And if you open your IDE of your choice, can be Visual Studio Code or something you are using, then you can type this command, and you will get the initialization. Okay, I'll share how it looks like within the code. Let me check. Okay, yeah, you should be able to see this now. Check. Okay, super cool. So do you see my Visual Studio Code here? Okay, so everyone can see this. So I already have my data copied, but this is what you should have. So you remember those VKs that we were copying from zkRapid.dev? This is what you should have. This is how it looks like, right? And you should have picked it up from zkRapid.dev. This is our proof, right, that we got from the window when we opened HTML page, and our public input. So this is something you would have, and it should be organized within data if you just want to go smoothly, right, through the tutorial. Because once we have index.js, we're going to call it in this way. But if you want to have it scattered around and change the path, it's completely up to you guys. I will not condone it. But yeah, so further away, so that we, go through our tutorial as this part. So let me check. So since we used circum, we will copy this part of the code. And yeah, so this is a point of interest for you because we're using circum. You got API keys. We're going to store it somewhere else, right? So that you do not have it exposed. Usually, this is where you want to put it in .env and have your API key, and later on call it. Right, so this is how you're going to find it later. But yeah, if you want, for the sake of exercise, if you want just to put it there plainly, I have nothing against that. But this is the right way to code. And if you want to post this on GitHub later, I don't want you to have it exposed. So once we have imported every part that we needed here, once we have our API URL posted, and all of our proofs put in like this. So we need them, and we need to parse them, right? And then later on, we will need to have a main function and to call it. And within this body of the function, we will need everything else. And it's slightly different if we're using other proof types, but from what we see here, you would use circum because that's what we used. Let me see if there are best practices to code. Yes. For everyone who wants to become a better coder, I would recommend clean code. And I think that's a Bible for devs. And yeah, so I would definitely go through it if I had my start now. So yeah, this is the body of our main function. We're going to continue with the auto aggregation, and then we're going to call all of our proofs. So everywhere you have this small copy button and right upper angle of every code snippet. So I would recommend you to use it. This is something that you will see in the end. And this is not something to be copied, but this is something that you want to check if it's what you see in your own code. And I'll show you how it looks like with with my code. Hide this. Okay, so if I'm going to follow the tutorial, I would go here, and once we have everything set up, I would like to call this command node index.js, right? And this is what you should have. And the optimistic verify is a success. It's good news. It's always good news to have that. Waiting for a job to finalize. Super cool. Job finalized successfully. Yay! We got our zero knowledge proof verified. Next thing we would need is to, if we want to, we're going to go to our zkVerify Explorer and check this transaction hash. So that is exactly what we're going to do right now. So I'm going to share the other one. Yeah, I present something else. Okay. So everyone, we're going to go here to check our transaction hash. So I'll share my transaction hash with you. This is how it should look like. This is what you should see. It's, let me show you. It looks like this. Sorry, I'm trying to underline that, but I crossed that accidentally. Is everyone at this step? Let me show you my own transaction hash. Search it, yes, 2 minutes ago. It was verified. This is the block where it was included. And whenever you see this beautiful green tick, it means that it has been verified. And the relayer covered the cost of it. And you can see the result, the parameters we had, the details of the curve we used, all the points there, who submitted it, everything. So it's very nice to have it and be a Web2 developer while submitting proofs. So you can always use Substrate wallet to go through it as well, but this is a way for you to not even get into Web3 and still verify zk proofs. So my question for you guys is, has anyone else managed to verify their proofs? Did anyone have a result like this? Crickets. Why? Almost there. Yay. This is what we want. We want success with verifying zk proofs. So if you have verified your zk proofs, you can always send us a link like this one as a proof that you have verified the proof. Or you can even send a transaction hash, doesn't even matter. Some interesting stats you can find here at Explorer. Latest blocks. Nice. Someone was verifying proofs. Rocio, have you managed to verify proofs? Yes. Oh, look at it. This is Rocio's verified proof. Wow. So nice and matrixy, right? With this green and black. Bravo, Rocio. How can I help you guys? Where are you stuck? Share your issues with us. There is nothing that we are at fault here. This is your first time verifying zk proofs, so it's an obstacle that I want to help you overcome. Anyone else close to verifying proofs except for Shama? Please share the full index.js code. Okay, I will. So how do you want it to be shared? Do you want me to paste everything somewhere, or? Okay, no worries. I'll send it over to you guys. Try this. Is it working now, Shama? Almost. It's just that one little almost is keeping you from verifying your proof, right? Anyone else, guys? Timeline? Who have I been? Chidabam, Cryptosaurus, Shaibu, Winnie. Shaibu says his transaction hash is this one. Rasi says we can use just one of the verified proof options, right? Yes, yes. So now for the sake of this presentation, it's for you not to go through the setup of a Talisman wallet, and because it's so interesting case that you can using only API calls, you can verify your proofs, right? So it's quite an interesting case. So that's why we went this path. But yeah, sure, you can use zkVerify.js as well. And I can share some of the tutorials I made, especially one for Relayer, if we did not follow something in a proper manner here, or you want just to rehearse and you want something that's shorter and with background music, you can do it that way, sure. Let's check the transaction hash that Shaibu has. Let's do that. So we are at zkVerify-testnet.subscan.io. Still testnet, right? And search. And yes, yes, and yes, we do have a success. Our proof is successfully verified. Bravo, Shaibu. Let's see the details. Yes, that's something you want to see. You can look at the curve, the palette that was used. You see it says it's got 16 palettes, so you can find a lot of information about zero-knowledge proofs that were being submitted here. Super cool. Someone else? Okay, while you guys are sending us your transaction hashes of verified zk proofs, I want to see if you have some questions. So please, let us know if there is something you want to ask here. No questions. Oh, that's strange.
I have a question.
Sure.
All right. I want to know, can I reuse my API key in other projects? Like can I use it again in another project?
Yes, sure. If you are going to use it with Relayer, you are free to use that one API key, of course. This is a channel that we have on Telegram. So whoever did not join, you can join now. And this is a place where our developers from zkVerify are finding ideas, posting about some issues. So, for example, if you want to produce more proofs and you need more throughput with your API key, this is the place where you can post such question. Yes, Shaibu, go along.
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
All right, perfect. Yeah, so just a quick one. I just wanted to make sure what's going on in my head is correct. So yeah, I think based on the flow with zkVerify, it's like the proof, generating the proof is actually done off chain, and then where it gets on chain is for verifying the proof. That is, we actually verify the proof off chain. Is that the workflow of things around zkVerify?
So you have produced a proof that is completely off-chain. So you could have run Grot 16 library on your own machine. It doesn't matter. But you were posting your proof on-chain using API keys. So for what you see now is, of course, for that to work, there needs to be one wallet that can interact with the chain, but we're currently having this beautiful relayer product from Horizon Labs, where they have their own centralized wallet, and they would accept and create the library that accepts API calls in order to interact with chain through their own wallet. So yeah, in the end, it's posted. Your proofs are posted online. Sure. Can you recommend a complete tutorial for dApps using zkVerify? Yes. First of all, I'm preparing one for using zkVerify JS as well, but I want to have it first through right through the easier one with the relayer. Let me share the one that I created with the relayer. Just a second. Here, yeah, this is the link, and it completely explains what this is about. Someone else has any questions? Some more questions? Why not? Off-topic question, yay. Not sure. ZK,
Rocio is asking if you know Spanish.
I would say so, yeah. Xiaomao has verified his proof. Yay! Let's check it, guys. Let's check it, guys. That's it. Xiaomao has verified his proofs. Bravo, Xiaomao. Yay. Okay, we have verified some proofs, guys. But yeah, puedo entender más que yo puedo hablar, y eso es con mi español. No fue de una escuela, pero con amigos. Yeah. Sure thing, Rocio.
Can I ask you something, but in Spanish?
Let's try it.
Alguien me dijo que aprendiste español de una forma diferente.
Sí,
¿Cómo?
sí, de telenovelas y por mis amigos, sí, y amigas.
¿Qué telenovela veías?
De telenovelas fue, por supuesto, Cassandra, Ruby y otras.
Sí, Cassandra. Muy bien. Gracias. Gracias.
De nada, de nada. Yay, Xiaomao. Yeah, that's the link, Xiaomao, we have opened. Bravo for everyone verifying ZK proofs. Bravo for Lucia putting an interest in how I have learned Spanish.
zkVerify have a Spanish community?
We can start one. I think there is a Spanish section on Discord. I'm not sure about it, but let me check. I will need to check it and definitely let you know. But yeah, I think it can be a big thing with the Spanish community, especially in Latin America, por supuesto.
Bravo.
Vamos.
Vamos, chicos. Okay, super cool. I'll let you know if if there is Spanish channel. There are global chats that I see. For now, I see Turkish one. I'm afraid we do not have Spanish one, but maybe we would like to have one. Yeah, it would be great to have one.
I think it's very important before the connect.
Oh yeah. Let's talk about it. Muy importante, sí. Yeah, so we were basically verifying proofs on chain. Yeah.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
And we are looking for a Spanish community.
Yeah. Yeah. Super cool. Super cool. So I can practice my rotten Spanish now.
ZK in Spanish maybe is more easy for you.
Oh yeah. Okay, I think we can wrap it up here. Anyone else, you can brag about your transaction hash and how you verify proofs on chain. You can post it in group. You can post it online, like Cryptosaurus had yesterday, and we're very grateful for that, Cryptosaurus. Thank you so much for doing that. Oh, super cool. Someone has posted, Xiaomao has posted something on Twitter. So yeah, guys, if you need me, you know where you can find me. I'm always on Telegram. I'm an e-girl, always on Telegram. I'm always on Twitter, looking at all of our notifications. And yeah, stay tuned with us. Stay tuned with mainnet. I hope we'll see a bunch of you in Argentina as well, and you can always find us online and in our groups. Thank you so much.
I had a question.
Okay.
I wanted to ask regarding the hackathon which begins today. Can you share some details?
The hackathon we're going to have at the Hacker House?
No, the ZK Monk hackathon. I think it's
Yeah, I was going to make an announcement that it begins next week officially, and that we will be posting all the details on Discord and Telegram shortly. And there will be prizes too. So we will post the distribution of that. So yeah, keep your eyes on Discord in the next few days.
Perfect.
Thank you, Anne.
And if you can add me to the Telegram where there will be announcement if I'm not part of it yet.
Absolutely.
Perfect. Lynn, yes, tell us.
Okay, so I was actually like going through the Relia docs now because I'm still trying to get my proof.
So are we supposed to use the with aggregation code or without aggregation code?
So with aggregation code, what does it mean? It's going to be posted on some of the chains, but in our tutorial, you don't have to do that. You can just post it on zkVerify and go without aggregation. So it wouldn't be an error if you did any of the pods.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to be sure. Thank you very much.
No worries. And what I posted from part of my code, that one is without aggregation. But yeah, you can find. I posted here the tutorial with a complete tutorial with relay and background music and transitions and stuff that people like. So you will find it here and in the chat, and if not, I'll just paste it once again. Copy link address here. That's one.
Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
No worries, anytime. Can you share your GitHub repo for this with us? I'm not sure this is, I have posted this on GitHub, but yeah, for sure you can find it here, but I will put note for myself to have it posted on GitHub if I had not. I have to look for it.
I guess we can wrap it up, and this concludes the zkForge Bootcamp. So congrats, guys. You made it to the end. Give yourself a big applause for making it through and immersing yourself in the world of zk. And I hope that whatever you learn throughout this bootcamp, you can apply it in your future explorations and studies and get even more excited about zk yay. And let's keep this community going, learning from each other. And yes, we have a hackathon coming up, and we'll be posting all the information in our channels shortly. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Maritza, and thank you, zkVerify, for all your support. And yeah.
zk
zk sometime, yeah, either online or in Argentina.
Yay.
Right.
zk guys.
zk
Bye bye.
Take care, guys.
Gracias.
Have a good one.
De nada.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Anne.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Melissa. Bye,
Bye.
Lucia.
Bye everyone. Bye, Christopher.